Welcome back to the Dasuha English channel. Today we will learn English again. Make sure you concentrate. Normal English and better English. Look for something to eat. Permit me to direct your attention to the illustrative instance at hand. Normal English. I'm hungry. Let's go get something to eat. Better English. I'm feeling famished. Shall we grab a bite to eat? Requesting to be escorted home. Let us peruse the exemplification at hand. Normal English. Can you give me a ride to the store? Better English. Would you be able to provide me with transportation to the store? Engaging in the completion of the homework assignment. Kindly observe the following exemplification. Normal English. Can you help me with my homework? Better English. Would you mind assisting me with my academic assignments? Next is busy. Normal English. I'm busy right now. Can we talk later? Better English. I'm currently occupied. Could we reconvene our conversation at a more opportune moment? The next is borrowing money. Let's see an example as follows. Normal English. I need some money. Can you lend me a few dollars? Better English. I'm in need of financial resources. Would you be willing to extend a small loan to me? Different but have the same meaning. Ask to close the window. Normal English. I'm cold. Can you close the window? Better English. I'm feeling quite chilly. Would you mind shutting the window, please? You may employ either of these sentences to request the closure of the door. Bored. Normal English. I'm bored. Is there anything interesting to do? Better English. I'm experiencing a sense of ennui. Are there any intellectually stimulating activities available? Take a nap. Normal English. I'm tired. I'm going to take a nap. Better English. I'm utterly fatigued. I shall indulge in a brief repose. Celebrate something. Normal English. I'm happy. Let's celebrate. Better English. I'm overjoyed. Let's partake in jubilant festivities. Busyness. Normal English. I'm busy. I have a lot of work to do. Better English. I'm currently preoccupied with numerous tasks. My workload is substantial. Scared. Let's look the example as follows. Normal English. I'm scared. There's a spider in the room. Better English. I'm experiencing a sense of fear and unease. There is an arachnid presence within the confines of this room. Favorite team. Normal English. I'm sad. My favorite team lost the game. Better English. I'm feeling disheartened. The team I ardently support faced defeat in the game. Confused. Let's take a look at the following example. Normal English. I'm confused. I don't understand this math problem. Better English. I'm experiencing a state of perplexity. I find myself unable to comprehend the intricacies of this mathematical problem. Hot weather. Normal English. I'm hot. Can you turn on the air conditioning? Better English. I'm sweltering. Could you please activate the air conditioning system? Hungry. Normal English. I'm hungry. Let's grab something to eat. Better English. I'm experiencing hunger pangs. Shall we partake in a culinary delight? Thank you for watching my content today. I hope you enjoyed and found value in what I shared. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with me in the future. I truly appreciate your support and feedback. See you in the next video.